Listen carefully and repeat after me. I wake up early. I wake up early. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I make my bed. I make my bed. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. I brush my hair. I brush my hair. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink water. I drink water. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I go to school. I go to school. I walk to school. I walk to school. I study in class. I study in class. I read books. I read books. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I eat lunch. I eat lunch. I talk to my friends. I talk to my friends. I play outside. I play outside. I go back home. I go back home. I do my homework. I do my homework. I help my family. I help my family. I watch TV. I watch TV. I play games. I play games. I eat dinner. I eat dinner. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I take a bath. I take a bath. I go to bed. I go to bed. I read a story. I read a story. I sleep at night. I sleep at night. Great job. Hands clapping. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you tomorrow.